Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to use a shortcut to make your video play forward, pause or play backwards in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I'm already in a new project and I have my clip right here. And now what you want to do to play the video forward is just hit the button L. And now you can see it's playing forward. Then hit the button K to stop it and the button J to play backwards. Like this. Then just K to stop it again. And if you want to play it forward faster or play backwards faster, just hit the L or the J button multiple times. For example, here L again, and it's even faster. Or same with J, another one. And as you can see, it gets faster and faster. Okay, that was a little hack on how to use a shortcut to make your video play forward, pause or play backwards in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.